Hello everyone, my name is Afusa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to analyze GBPJPY. So before you start doing your analysis, the first thing you need to do, you need to find out the direction of the market. Because if you do not understand the direction of the market, your analysis is going to be wrong, because definitely you will not know where to enter the market. It will be more difficult for you to, to really know where the market is heading. So now the first thing I do, I go to daily. So I'm already in daily right now. So I figure out the direction of the market. For example, we have a higher high here, higher low, higher high here, higher low. So let's see, just take higher high, higher low. So as you can see, the market is an uptrend, okay? Trend. Now, so first, you can write this down, say daily is an uptrend. Then we'll move to 4 hours to find out if this market is still going in the same direction. Now, in 4 hours, so we can start our market here. So, for example, we have higher high, we have higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we have higher high, higher low. Then we have higher high. So as you can see, 4 hours is still aligning with daily. 4 hours to see the market is going up. So now so 4 hours is uptrend and daily is uptrend. We have to move to 1 hour to see if 1 hour really align with um, 4 hours. So what I will do here, I will start from here. So I don't need to do all the market structure. I will just start from down here. We have higher high here. We have higher low. So we have higher high. So we have higher low here. So we have higher high. We have higher low. So we have higher high. So as you can see, 1 hour still aligning with 4 hours and daily, which enables to know that this market is an uptrend. So now I'll move to uh, 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, we can see, so we can draw our analysis from here. We have higher high, higher low, higher high. So we expect the market to come down before we buy. Okay, it doesn't matter, even though the market come down to these zones, it does not matter. So what we are waiting for is the market to pull back, then we're looking for buy. So I usually take my buy in 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, if I decided to take my do my market analysis from here, we have higher high, higher low here, higher high, so we have a higher low, higher high, so we have higher low. So we are in higher high, so we expect the market to pull back and buy. Even though the market break this low, so break this low, okay, so I will still be waiting for the market to align for buy. So until market break, if I go to 1 hour, until the market take out this low. So let me just show you. See this low here? Till the market take out this low, then push up. That is where I will be taking to sell. But for now, I will allow the market. What I will do, even though the market is pulling back to maybe somewhere here, then give me a double bottom, I will definitely be buying. So that is how That is how to do analysis. So let me recap again. First, you will have to find out the direction of the market and know exactly the direction you are going to trade. So if the market say if the market say is trading up, maybe daily is uptrend, for 1 hour, 4 hours uptrend, then 1 hour is uptrend, and 15 minutes align. That is when I will go for buy. So if, for example, like the market world otherwise is the downtrend, that is where I'm going to be looking to sell. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope to see you some other time. Bye bye.